Do you want to know a simple trick to make people like you more? This one, again, really easy to do. You can do it in 5 seconds and it works. And I'll share a little story about where I saw this in action. So, by the way, if you're benefiting from this channel, click down below to subscribe and do the little bell notification so you can watch these videos right when they come out so you can grow, build your confidence. The more of these you watch, the more you apply, the better off your life is going to be. So, I saw this technique in action when I was going for a hike not that long ago. And I don't know if you noticed this, but out in the woods, people tend to be a little bit more friendly. You've seen that. They say hi to each other more than in the city. But so I make a practice. I say hi to people wherever I go, city or nature. I've just been doing that for years. It comes from a practice called friendly greetings because I had a lot of social anxiety when I was younger, so I wouldn't say hi to anyone. I wouldn't make eye contact with anyone. Now, where I go, I'm walking down and saying hi to people. My kids see me saying hi to people. It's like a normal thing. So I'm out in the woods and I'm hiking and I see people and I say hi as I go past. And there's this guy coming the other way. And like I do, I said hi to him. And he looks over at me and he's like, "Hey, what's up, man?" And kept walking. And I did this. I just like had this big smile on my face after we walked by each other. And his reaction and greeting was so like bright and warm and connecting. And I just like left and I was like, I like that guy. I don't know why, but I like him, right? So what did he do there? Okay, he made eye contact with me. He had a big smile on his face. And he had this kind of, it wasn't like, hi. It was like a, "Hey, what's up, man?" And it was like this big smile. Now, I know some of you are thinking like, dude, that guy was high. I don't know. How dare you judge the man? He was just high on nature. I don't know. But it doesn't matter. You can do that. Now, are you going to use his language? Maybe for you saying "what's up" is like a strange departure from your typical language. So, your version of that. But when I do friendly greetings, because I learned this to get a reaction from people, instead of like, "Hi, how's it going?" "Hi." I'll be like, "Hey, how's it going?" So that's my version of like, but I just realized I could do even more. I'd be like, "Hey, how you doing?" Right? And you might say, "Well, hold on a second. I don't know if I want to greet everyone that way, or isn't that too nice, or isn't that fake?" And like, look, this is simply a way to exchange, to get an energy exchange going, because all conversations is an exchange of energy. And I guess there's things you're saying, there's the content of what you're talking about, but underneath that, and whether you leave feeling like I like that person, I want more, or I'm drained, or I don't like that person, or whatever you are experiencing emotionally afterward, during and after, is because of the exchange of the energy flow. That's why you can be in a conversation and you guys could be talking and it seems like you're connecting because you're talking about the same thing, but you feel bored or you feel agitated or you are like wanting to get away because there's something going on in the exchange of energy. And one of the things that's often happening is people are very restrictive. They're very like, I'm not going to give any energy until you show me that you like me, and then I'll sort of open up, right? But it's a very different thing to orient towards somebody and just see, how can I greet with more positive energy and enthusiasm? And it sounds so simple, and it is so simple, and it works. So just look for those little opportunities, and this could be done on the phone, this could be done on a Zoom meeting, this could be done in person. Whatever way, shape, or form, whatever location you're in, you just move towards somebody and say, like, instead of like, "Hey, what's up, everybody?" It's like, "Hey, how you guys doing? It's great to see you," right? And you just like find your way, that'll be my way of expressing something a little bit more. And it just, boom, injects something in the system. You're going to feel better. And guess what? When people leave, they're going to say, "Ah, I like that guy," or "I like that girl," right? Okay, so go ahead, share down below how you're applying this in your life or what you notice from doing this so we can all learn and grow together. And until we speak again, we have the courage to be who you are and to know on a deep level that you're awesome.